Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV, out here wearing a hat because we got a little bit of liquid sunshine hitting us. I got my guy Rudy Martinez behind the camera, my director producer. He's doing a great job filming. He's going to hone in on something really cool here. This is an Arctic Fox 27-5L, for those of you who know this model, because I know you guys are looking for it. But check this out, optional generator. It's already insulated, everything, it's ready to go. LP generator, so it's quiet, it's efficient. You got easy access to your oversized propane tanks. Check that out, Rudy. Wow. Have you ever seen propane tanks that big?
Those are big.
And then you got your pass-through storage, which most fifth wheels you're going to get, but look at how big that is in there.
Wow.
So big.
Wow.
Nice. Okay.
That's nice.
So heavy duty steps, easy to get into. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I wish there was more steps to get into. I got to take these giant, tons of steps.
Small steps.
Look at this floor plan, Rudy.
Wow.
Have you ever seen storage that's floor to ceiling like this in a kitchen? Never seen it.
Wow.
All this solid surface, countertop. Got really nice Furrion appliances all the way around. They don't sacrifice anything.
No.
They do the nicest for you guys because they know that when you guys are out there camping, you got to have stuff that's going to be reliable. And Arctic Fox is all about building a product that's going to be used year round. So if you guys are living in it, hunting in it, camp, whatever, it's ready to go all seasons. Okay, look at this huge pantry storage.
Wow.
Big booth dinette. Now, some people are like, oh, I can't get in. The dinette's so look at, there's tons of room, easy to get into. Nice ultra leather finishes, beautiful theater seats. With you got each, you don't have to share a little, countertop. You each got your own. Look at this pull-out pantry. So cool. Big fridge and freezer, entertainment, sound bar. There's so many.
There's
cool
even
things.
a clock.
Check out this bedroom. Ready? Check out. Okay, actually, let's look at the bathroom first. Check out this bathroom. Jack and Jill bathroom. Corner neo-angled shower. You got real glass doors. Look at this. Glass doors. Solid surface countertops in the bathroom. Who does that?
It's glass.
Arctic Fox. They spare no expense. Slide out in the bedroom, which gives you all that storage space there. Big walk around queen bed, super comfy bed, you guys. There's so many great things to love about this Arctic Fox 27-5L. I'm Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. Rudy behind the camera. Ask for us. We'd love to help you go camping soon.
Take care.